Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe! Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers! Hindi pa tapos ang pagniningning ng ating reyna. Fresh from her winning moment as Miss Echo International 2025, Alexi Caimoso Brooks once again turned heads, this time on the runway of the inspired beginnings of 2025 bridal fashion show. At hindi lang yan, inilabas na rin ang kanyang official queen shoot na tunay na kahanga-hanga. Kaya kung fan ka ng fashion, Filipino pride and empowerment, beauty queens, this vlog is for you. Let's dive into this royal update. Alexi Caimoso Brooks lit up the Inspired Beginnings 2025 bridal fashion runway wearing a breathtaking masterpiece by the world-renowned Filipino designer Sir Rian Fernandez. Known for his high couture and intricate beadwork, Rian's creation beautifully captured Alexi's elegance, proving once again that Filipina beauty combined with Filipino artistry is unstoppable. Right after the runway, Miss Echo International 2025 stunned us with her official queen shoot, a perfect blend of grace, glamour and green advocacy. Styled by the brilliant Josh Sales and photographed by the talented Cha Tanglao, Alexis' regal look is a reminder that true beauty lies in purpose and advocacy. At yan ang latest royal update mula sa ating Miss Echo International 2025. Truly, Alexi Brooks is a queen who continues to inspire on stage. Kaya naman patuloy tayong mag-subscribe sa channel na ito para sa lahat ng mga bagong balita at bagong update. Maraming salamat sa panonood.